Okay, welcome to another video, and in this particular video we are going to see how we can host the WordPress website on Cyberpanel. So first thing you need to do is you should have this Cyberpanel ready, and if you don't have it, you can follow the last tutorials and you can install the Cyberpanel. For me, the Cyberpanel is ready, so I will start right from here. If it is not ready for you, check the videos in this particular playlist. On the top you should find the Cyberpanel installation video. Okay, so once it is done, let's go ahead and let's see how you can create the WordPress website. Okay, first thing first, we need to create the WordPress website, so we need to host somewhere domain name or subdomain name. So what is a domain name? You obviously know, like xyz.com is a domain name. And what is subdomain name? Let's say yt.xyz.com or mail.xyz.com. That's a subdomain name. So let's go ahead and let's open our Cloudflare account. So in my case, my domain is added in the Cloudflare and I'm using as a DNS. Okay, so don't get confused here. No need to add it to Cloudflare. Just I am using it for a DNS. So basically, whenever we host the website, we map the domain name or subdomain name with the IP address. That's what I'm doing. I'm just adding the ANAME record. Make sure you have the ANAME record. So basically, we are going to use the, let's say, WP, let's say demo. So demo.1yt.in, that's the website where URL where we are going to host our WordPress website. You can just use the main domain also, 1yt.in. The process is going to be exactly same. Okay, so let's go ahead and save. And once it is saved, okay, so it is not showing because the IP address is not added. Let's go ahead, let's go to Cyberpanel and let's copy the Cyberpanel IP address and then paste it right here and save it. Okay, so it might be possible that you are using different DNS. The steps are going to be different little bit, but the feeling is same, adding the ANAME record. That's it. Let's close the Cloudflare. Let's go to the website and let's click on the create website. Let's select the package default admin user, and there is a 1yt.in, but remember we are creating on demo.1yt.in. if you are creating on base domain, not on subdomain, then just enter the base domain like 1yt.net. okay, so you can just enter this one also, but in my case I'm creating a subdomain, that's why I'm entering demo. Okay, next thing you need to enter the valid email address. Enter valid email address because this will give the alerts on that particular email address about the SSL of the website, errors of the website, right? Next thing we need to do is select the PHP version. It is very important part because the latest version of the WordPress supports 8.1 and 8.0 only. So make sure which version you are trying to install and accordingly select the PHP version. Hence I am going to stick with the 8.1 because I am going to install the latest version of the Cyberpanel. Latest version of the WordPress. So let's go ahead, click on the SSL, DKIM support is not needed because I am not hosting mail service, and web open based DR protection is needed. Click on the create and it shouldn't take too much long. It should take around less than 1 minute to create a website, and once it is done we can move ahead and we can go with the installation of the WordPress. Right now we created just a website in the Cyberpanel. Now we will manage the website and create the we will install the WordPress on the website so that we can access it here. Okay, so by default Cyberpanel offers the express installation of the WordPress. Okay, I will show you what express installation of the WordPress in the bit. So right now website is created. Let's go ahead and click on the list website. On the left menu you can click on the list website right here, or you can just go back in the dashboard, click on the website and then click on list website. That will show you the website. So as you can see, our website demo.in is here. Let's go ahead and let's click on the manage button on the front of the demo and then go in the website navigation page. So here you can do all of kind of work related to the website. Okay, so basically whatever configurations are available for particular website are all present in this particular page. So let's scroll it and go in the bottom, and as you can see the application installation is available for the WordPress plus LS cache. You already know what is WordPress. I will explain what is LS cache. LS cache is a plugin in the WordPress that will use the Redis plus Open Lightspeed server in order to optimize speed of the WordPress. This will optimize the WordPress speed accordingly their blog up to 25%. Okay, I'm not sure, I haven't measured it, I haven't tested it, but up to 25%. Okay, so next thing is what is the installer. Basically this will do a lot of things easy for us. Okay, so if you remember If you do normal WordPress installation, then there is a lot of hectic processor. Download WordPress files, set up WordPress file, add the configuration, create a database, and that all stuff. But Cyberpanel make it easy. That's why there is a application installation available. We don't need to do any additional steps there. We can just click on application installation. We can go, let's say, give the title of the website. Let's say user is admin, the password is, let's say, admin 123, and the email you can specify any, but make sure you are specifying the valid email. You can just add 1yt.in. In my case, I am adding 1yt.in. Then there is a path. You can leave default empty. If you are not familiar with the path and path configuration, just leave it empty. Let's go ahead and click on the installation. Basically, what will this do? It will go ahead, download the latest version of the WordPress. It will install the latest version of the WordPress on the server. It will configure the database for that particular website. It will create a user in the database for that particular website. Basically, it will give you the WordPress website ready on the plate. That is right. So this is how it's done. So as you can see, it is saying successfully installed. That means WordPress is ready. We can just go back and let's go back. Okay. So you can just copy the website address from here, or you already know demo.1yt.in. Just enter here. In case you are using main domain like 1yt.in or example.com, just enter that domain, whatever you have created a website for. So as you can see, the WordPress is installed and it looks nice. If you want to access it, let's go wp-admin and let's click enter, and it should give me the login page. My username was admin and my password was I think admin1234. I forgot the password. No, I think admin 123. Okay, and that should give me access to the WordPress admin panel. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can install WordPress using the Cyberpanel on this server. Okay, so that's all about this particular installation of the WordPress thing. If you want to check what are the configuration has been done, what you can do is go to the dashboard. If you want to check the database of the WordPress website I created, go to the database section, go to the list database section, select the website that you want to check for, demo1.edu or .in, and as you can see, the database username is there, database name is there, and everything is there. Okay. Then again, there is a remote access is also available. This is for advanced configuration. If you are not familiar with, don't touch it. Then there is a myphpAdmin. Here you can just access the database, or you can just go back and click on myphpAdmin, and here you can do the myphp things if you want. This is the database that is created for WordPress. This is the random number, right? So yeah, that's pretty much all about the WordPress installation in the Cyberpanel. If you have any doubt, just put in the comment box. I will try to answer that particular doubt. And yeah, that's all for this particular video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.